To code your own song for Radical Remix? Well, we have a simple way to get started. We have created some template code where you can add your own sounds and functions to remix the soundtrack to your own story of a radical act. Simply type in the bit.ly in your web browser, and that is bit.ly/radactremixcode, and click enter. This will open up your code editor in Earsketch. In the upper right corner, there is a box that says import to edit. Simply click on that box, and this will allow your code to be imported into your own script library. You probably want to make sure you're logged in at this point because that will allow your script to automatically save in your library. Now, let's take a look at the script. You will see in your script that most of the lines of this code have a hashtag or pound sign next to it are in brown. The reason why is that this is a template code, meaning that you will just look at this code and fill in your own sounds and functions. So let's get started. At the top, you have 3 hashtags and questions. Title of song. You can simply fill these in. You will leave the hashtag here because these are simply comments or descriptors for your code. You can put your radical act. I'll put helping a friend. It could be helping a friend, doing community service. It could be standing up to a bully, picking up litter, fighting for something in social justice, whatever you would like. Think about something in your life that has made a change in how you think or helped others. In Renee Montgomery's case, her radical act was going from being a player to an owner. And then you have an optional question. What inspired you about Renee Montgomery? You can also go back and fill in the title, your radical act, and your inspiration later. Now we're going to get to our actual code. You'll see below line 10, this is where the computer is going to start reading your code to process your song. The first line, set tempo, this sets the pace of the song, beats per minute. I have it auto set at 120. You could alter this between 40 and 220, but you may want to think about how fast or slow you want your song to be. You can also change the tempo throughout your song. 120 is a basic marching beat. We'll leave that number here for now. Below your set tempo, you have your sound library. We're going to leave this hashtag and pound sign for sounds because this helps organize your code. However, all the sounds that are below it, we're going to delete the hashtag and fill in a sound. The names drum, bass, keys, strings, and vocals are all variables. They hold a value, meaning that once we assign drum a value, every time we write drum, it's going to play that sound. So I'm going to come over here quickly to my sound library. I'm going to click on Aaron Drake because he is the composer for Radical Remix. And then I'm going to click on instrument and I'm going to add a drum sound. I simply add the drum sound by clicking the blue clipboard and it pastes it in. Now I'm going to do the same for bass, keys, strings, and vocals. Come over to my instruments, click on them, and add some more sounds. I could remix sounds from different artists too, so maybe I want to add in Sierra or Alicia Keys for my keys and come back. I'll add in my keys for my instruments, take off the drum, put in some keyboards, add those in, add in some strings here. Oops. I need to make sure they're always in the right line too. When I add in my keys and strings, so my strings, I'll add back in. And I think I deleted my keys here, so I'm going to put that in too. And then I'll add in my vocals. Okay, once I have 5 sounds in my sound library, I'll come here and you'll see scene 1, choose a scene from your story. So this is thinking about your story as a soundtrack. What is your radical act? So you can put in anything here. Again, we're gonna leave the hashtag or pound sign for our scene 1, but our first command is fit media, or our first function. This is what tells the computer to play a sound. It has 4 arguments: sound, track, start, and end. Sound, you will put in a sound from your sound library. So in this case, I will type in drum. I'm gonna play my drum on track 1, and we're gonna start it at measure 1, and I'm going to put it through measure 8. Actually, measure 9. This will play for 8 full measures for the start of my song. If I want, I can actually run my code now, and I will have my drums playing in my digital audio workstation. Okay, we're gonna quickly repeat this for the remainder of our Fit Media for scene 1. I'm gonna go down to sound. I'm going to type in bass. I'm gonna put it on track 2 because each sound needs to be on a different track. And we're gonna start this on measure 1 and end it on measure 9. Perfect. I'm gonna go down again, Fit Media, type in keys right here. Guess what? This is gonna be on track 3. And in this case, I'm not going to have my keys start immediately. I'm going to start it at measure 2, and I'll end it again at measure 9. It will play for 7 full measures. I'm going to come in here, add in my strings on my sound right here. Strings. I'll have this play on track 4. Each sound, again, is going to play on a different track. I'm going to start this one at measure 3 because we're layering in sounds now. And I'm still going to end it at 9. And last but not least, I'm going to delete this hashtag and put in my vocals. As soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to run my code again. And we should have 5 full tracks that are going to play for approximately 16 seconds, which is about half of what you need for your final submission song. And you will have the first part of your song that describes your radical act. I'll click play. And you can hear we have beats from the Radical Act from Aaron Drake as the composer, filling that requirement. We now have 16 seconds or 8 full measures. So we're going to do the same thing for scene 2. In this case, if you want to add any additional, you can maybe do drum 2 equals and choose a new drum sound that goes right in here. Maybe we'll add some claps. But maybe we'll keep some of the other ones. Drum 2. We're going to take off our hashtag, but not our hashtag for scene 2, because that is a descriptor. That's just holding our organization. We'll put in right here. We'll keep our same bass. Again, we're having drum 2. We're going to put it on a different track. So we're continuing our tracks to go to 6. Bass will be on 7. We're going to start at measure 9, and we're going to go for 8 full measures. So we'll go all the way through 17 right now, and this will get us our 30 seconds. We'll have our bass pop in at 9 and go to 17 again. Maybe I'll add some new keys in here, so I'll put keys 2. Come back to my instruments, click on my keyboard. Maybe I'll switch up my artists a little bit so I see some different artists and see if I find an artist that I like. For some keys, maybe I have to go back to my instrument and take off the drums and vocals. Here we go. Keys equal, I'm gonna paste in this. I'm also gonna add vocals 2 and make that equal there. And then add back in my vocals. We'll come over here, add back in my artists. Okay, and then I'm gonna quickly finish my Fit Media, taking out my hashtags and £, adding in my keys 2, adding my track is gonna be on track 8. I'm gonna not start this to 11, end it at 17. I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to come in and do strings. I know I'm going very fast, but you can slow it down or hit pause. This is just a sample way of how to get started. We're going to go on 9. We're going to start at 12 and end at 17 again. And then we'll just do the vocals. And in this case, we have vocals 2 because we're going to substitute out some of my vocals. And put this on track 10. Now you've succeeded in fulfilling the song requirements. You'll have a 30-second song by the end of this. You have you have more than one artist, but you also have Aaron Drake's A Radical Remix. You have 5 tracks. You have used Fit Media to insert your sound. You've used variables to hold your sounds. So this would be a submission for the competition. And you have the template code. I just did this in almost only under 15 minutes. So you can do the same. Simply, once you have finished your song and you like it, then you can come over here, go to your scripts, find your scripts, click on the blue line, and click Submit to Competition. Thank you so much. Hopefully you enter a Radical Act remix. Good luck.